there, I have a quick sewing tip I would like to share with everyone today. It's about threading a needle. If you don't happen to have a threader, this is what I've learned to do. Get a clean end, trim a clean end, hold the thread between your pointer finger and your thumb, pull the thread in between until you can just barely see it between your fingers. Take the eye of your needle, line it up, and slide the needle between your thumb and pointer finger, and that is your thread guide, and you are now threaded without fuss. I'm going to show you on a larger scale. Here's my bigger one. Here's my bigger needle. Here's my bigger thread. I'm going to hold it between my thumb and my index finger, and then I'm going to pull the thread down until you just can't see it, just barely see it between your fingers. Line up the eye of your needle and slide that over the thread between your fingers as you're threaded. One last time. I'll demonstrate one more time. Threading, pulling the thread between the two fingers, holding on, lining up the eye of the needle to that thread, and I slide the needle between my two fingers and thread it. Sometimes it doesn't pull all the way through, but it's lined up and it's in, so then you just do this and you're threaded. Anyway, that's it. I hope you have a lovely day.
I hope you have a lovely day.